Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting the zipper closely to identify the real problem: a stuck slider, misaligned teeth, or a missing stop. Once you know which part fails, remove any fabric obstructions and open seams only as needed. Make sure the zipper tape is exposed. You'll want your tools within reach: pliers, replacement slider, needle and thread, small screwdriver. This focused setup saves time because you'll begin corrective action immediately rather than guessing and undoing later. You remove the top stop using pliers and slide the old slider off, which prevents further damage. Be careful not to tear the tape. Then fit the correct size replacement slider onto both rows of teeth, ensuring orientation matches the original. Once the slider is on, move it slowly to realign any wedged teeth. If motion is stiff, apply a small amount of soap or graphite as lubricant. Make sure to test the full closed and open action before finishing the seam. You finish by reinstalling or creating a firm top stop. Either crimp a metal stop or sew multiple stitches to act as a stop, so the slider won't pop off. Once secured, zip the garment several times and try it on to confirm alignment under real stress. Make sure the pull glides smoothly and teeth mesh fully. If gaps or skips reappear, inspect teeth for breaks. Limited fixes work, but multiple broken teeth mean replacing the whole zipper for reliable repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.